Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change the tempo of a sample in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you play, you can find the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with changing the tempo of any sample that we want. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the sample. So we're going to go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. We're just going to go ahead and open up this recording menu, where in the upper left corner we have the button that's going to take us to this edit menu with the mixing mode, where we can find all the options and tracks that we have. So as you can see, here are my tracks, and now let's say I want to add a new sample. What I'm going to do is go right here in the upper right corner, click on this button in the middle. That's going to enable me to either add an Apple loop that I can find right here, or add a file from my files app. So you can go ahead and find the files that you want to add and find your samples, and your samples are going to appear right here. So guys, all you need to do to then change the tempo of the sample is go right here in the upper right corner, click the settings icon, and after clicking the settings icon, as you can see, one of the options is going to be called tempo. So you want to open up tempo, and here you can get started with setting up your tempo, changing it to whatever you want and getting your desired sound. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.